Holy shit.
Right? That guy was really intense. I mean, it's just an ultrasound photo.
I told you. Oh my God!
This might be one of the weirdest, most complicated ways to tell your family you're pregnant. I always see people like pranking, faking that they're pregnant, but what if you prank that you're not pregnant to tell that you're pregnant? 6 months ago, I had this idea of making a fake movie. My husband is a DP, so it wouldn't be totally out of the realm for him to make a movie, a short film, make a fake Fast and Furious movie that turns out to just be a pregnancy announcement. And we're starting to film it today, and then in 1 week from now we will be showing it to our family. So let's go make a movie.
The trailers were prior to her. I'll get her out. She's a little heavy. So.
Not yet.
Oh, you want that?
The description? No.
Okay.
All right, we good?
Yeah.
All right, here we go.
You want to turn that?
Oh, turn that light off so we're...
Ah.
Let me hear it.
No, there you go.
Yeah.
Perfect. All right. And
Oops, I dropped cheese.
Package is on the way. Package has been delivered.
Holy shit.
Right? That guy was really intense. I mean, it's just an ultrasound photo.
I told you. Oh my God! You didn't get it?
Oh.
It's a pregnancy reveal.
Oh my God.
I said that's the first thing I said.
You didn't know?
Still doing the video anyways? I don't understand. How did you know to do that? Well, congratulations. You know?
God! Oh my
You had no idea? I really thought you
we swore you knew.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I was like, she knows.
Yeah, wait, it's all for this.
No, it's off of this. Right, but oh, so you knew before you started shooting this? Whose cars are those? You guys didn't, you weren't suspecting at all?
No, you know, but then I wiped it out of my head. Wow.
Brittany knows that.
Wait, is that why you shot the thing? Yeah. Oh, really?
Brittany.
Oh my god.
Brittany. Due date.
Your parents would come.
Due date.
Oh my god.
July 1st.
July 1st? Oh. He's been going on and on about this film. So
Oh my god, Cody, that was genius. And the film is good too. So our thing did
You guys got me a real contest. You guys
you
won.
got me again. I can't believe it.
There's also hidden cameras everywhere.
Are those shooting?
And my
They're all
mom.
shooting. This one too? Not the instant. Not that one.
That's the Polaroid.
You should really make a movie though, because that was great action and music. No, me.
He told me after, like when we were leaving, I was like, don't jump.
You're not having champagne, are you?
Oh yeah.
Oh, no.
We are.
That's pretty.
You'll send pictures out to
You
everybody.
shot that whole thing.
Thank you. Cheers. Cheers.
We need one more
Cheers
glass.
to
Not
the mother.
Jason.
Oh my god. Where's Code? Oh, you're not drinking. Okay. Cheers to all my food. Cheers. Cheers.
Cheers. Oh my god.
That was awesome. That's why I call my mom now because she'll freak out.
Oh, look at you brushing your teeth. We're having a baby. Okay, go brush your teeth. Babe, the amount of times I have you on camera during this series looking super uninterested is all of it. Great job, Willie.
Hey, let us know when oncoming traffic is clear.
That looks so cool. Okay, why is that guy getting out of his car though? Making fun of us. We're Blueberry.
Before that happens, I want my man in the passenger seat for a couple for like.
He is going to be.
gonna be there the whole time.
He's going to be in the passenger seat the whole time.
Oh, the whole time.
Why do you need me there?
Why?
What do you mean?
Oh, I don't know.
It's your car.
You feel better.
It's your car.
Well, where are you going? How far are you gonna go?
From
He
there
doesn't
to
know
here,
this area.
it makes me feel better, to be honest with you.